Hello everyone, welcome to Live Well. Today we're going to be getting ready to grow our garlic. So when your garlic come, obviously they come in a clump like this. So what you got to do is just literally open them up. And what we're doing in this case here is trying to find the bigger bulbs. Alright, these are hard neck garlics, as you can see by the hard stem in the middle. All four of these varieties are hard necks. Alright, so we basically break them up, looking for the nicer ones, like this one. It's a nice big one. These are okay. This one maybe we put aside. Alright, so we got four nice ones. Let's repeat the process. We're basically going through the cloves. Look for the nice big ones. Right, so once we've finished taking out all suitable ones, we will then go out in the garden and I'll show you how I do that out there. Alright guys, once we are finally outside in the garden, simply just dig holes. Alright, and here we have our garlics that we picked earlier, right, ready to go. And we simply this way up, this part facing down, just push them down into the ground like this. Just basically repeat the process going into the holes. Put this one the wrong way up. Alright, so yeah, let's push them in until all the holes that you've dug are filled. Yeah, it's a quite simple process really. And once we've dug all of them in, we're just going to gently pass the soil over them and just give them some water. Yeah guys, that's basically how we do our garlic. You get me? It's literally, I don't know, maybe you could say your little finger, about that much of your little finger down in the hole. Not your little finger, sorry, your index finger. Once you finish putting all the garlics down in the holes, then just basically put a gentle layer of soil over it, make sure they're all covered, and then just give it a gentle water, and then I'll be putting the fleece back over them, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, thank you very much. Live well, and together we grow.